Well, hello folks out there in YouTube land. Got a big show lined up for you. Let's get right on into it. All right, let's pull up that screen. Oh, mighty Ilus has got a big day tomorrow. We're going to talk all about Ilus. All right, why is tomorrow so big? Quarterly report is due. And the reason that's clear is the quarterly report is due within 45 days of the quarter end. And August 15th is 45 days, and what's tomorrow? August 15th. And JP Backwell confirmed it also in a video. So 2 reasons. So the reason this is such a big deal, if you looked at their first quarter, they did $3 million in revenue and they had $600,000 worth of net income. So they were at about a 20% margin, which was one of their best margins they've had in the last 12 months. And we already got the report that the second quarter they went from 3 million to 19.6 million. Which is ridiculously strong, and that's the amount of revenue that they've been saying they're working towards. And of course, they think it's going to get a lot bigger than that over time. So obviously, if they're anywhere, let's say they do 15% of that, well, that'd be about a $3 million profit, and that changes the game quite a bit for mighty Ilus. So as you can see, market cap of 109 million. Well, if they do a $3 million profit, for example, in the quarterly report, multiply that times 4, even though they say they're going to have higher revenue, I think they're expecting somewhere in the neighborhood of $140 million over the next 12 months in revenue. So they're looking for higher revenues. But again, take $12 million, divide it into this 109, and you'd be looking at a value stock. Now, it's a forward PE, not a trailing PE, so don't get ahead of me. But that's a very interesting forward PE on this particular stock. So yeah, tomorrow is a very big day.
Oh my God!
Exactly, it's big. So let's take a look at where Ilus is. As you can see, it's been trading down in this little channel here. And like I said, I've been slowly adding into Ilus because I think this is a pretty decent place to pick it up. And then if they show a $3 million plus profit tomorrow or something close to that, I would expect this thing to increase. It should. I'll certainly pick up some more if it does do that. Now, granted, this is a penny stock, so I'm always super careful. I don't let penny stocks get more than 10% of my total portfolio. I'm just real cautious with penny stocks because they're risky. But I like this one. And the fact that it's profitable and it's sitting down at a pretty good value, in my opinion, I'm going to pick some up. And I may not have that opportunity. Like I said, it may pop up a little bit. So we'll see tomorrow. It's a very big day. And let's see what our friends, the shorts, are doing. And as you can see, we've had a pretty big drop. It's down to 42%. It was hanging around 70 and 60 for several days, but now that we're just a day away, I think our friends, the shorts, are maybe getting a little bit nervous. And at some point, Ilus needs to deal with these shorts and kind of kick them in the pants a little bit.
Your Leechcraft would have had me crawling on all 4s like a beast.
Yep, they need to send them running. And I think a good profit margin tomorrow would really help with that. So we'll be looking to watch Ilus tomorrow. Should be very interesting to see what the mighty Ilus does. If you like this content, be sure to hit that like button. Let's be able to continue to cover Ilus. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'd certainly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time on Mr. Frugal Investor.